Hello, my name is Greg from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. This Jaguar XE Dynamic S D180 is a very sporty and stylish alternative to many brands out there. Finished here in the gorgeous Firenze red colour, it will come with full LED headlights with high beam assist and even sport suspension. The stylish look is continued in the rear with privacy glass as well as signature shaped LED tail lights. Those premium LED headlights will also feature signature daytime running lights and are now guaranteed to illuminate every destination. You will also enjoy 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels which contrast the paint very nicely, as well as a large practical boot which is ideal for shopping or going away on holidays. The cabin inside will also feature comfortable seating for up to 3 with 2 Isofix chat anchor points, with the upholstery itself finished in grained leather front sport seats. There is also a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel available for the driver, and front seats will feature additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and they are even fully electrically adjustable with electric lumbar support. The infotainment touchscreen will have plenty on offer with the likes of built-in satellite navigation, and there is also full Bluetooth connectivity for your device. AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions are available too. Other great features will incorporate the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and to help you park, you'll be pleased to know there is a reverse parking camera with guidelines which features a wide-angle view, fully supported by front and rear parking sensors. Moving down the cabin, there's also an interactive climate control system. You can turn the dials left and right to operate the temperature, but you can also pull the dial towards you to operate the power of the fan, or push it away from you to also operate the 3-stage heating seats, which are ideal for those cold mornings. Additionally, the center screen will also display in an interactive way the heated seat functionality, and you can play around with it, which is incredibly easy to use on the move, but also operate your air conditioning and choose where the air blows. There's also a heated front windscreen available, which is great for the winter months. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information about it, or if you would like to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408, or alternatively inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.